Most RVs come equipped with a 12-volt water pump designed to build and maintain water pressure in your RV's water system when you are not connected to a city water connection. This video is designed to teach you how to use and troubleshoot your RV's water pump. Before you turn on your water pump, make sure your RV's freshwater tank is full, your low point drains are closed, and all your faucets and fixtures are closed until the system is pressurized. Next, locate your water pump's power switch and turn it on. The power switch is generally located either on your RV's monitor panel or on your RV's docking station. After you turn on your RV's water pump, you will hear the motor cycle on and begin to pressurize the water system. Once you hear the pump's motor cut back off, you can start to use your RV's water system. If your water pump's motor does not kick on when you turn on the pump switch, there are a few things you should check. Make sure your RV isn't hooked up to a city water source. The city water pressure will often be above the water pressure threshold that the pump uses to determine when to cycle on. If you have not hooked up to a city water source and your water pump still won't cycle on, you may have a 12-volt power issue. To diagnose a 12-volt issue, start by checking the battery and fuse box. For an in-depth look at 12-volt troubleshooting, check out our video on that subject. If your battery and fuses are in working order, you can check the power going to the pump by using a voltmeter. Connect the negative to the ground wire and the positive to the positive wire. If the voltmeter shows proper power going to your pump and it still isn't running, it could either be a burnt-out motor or a malfunctioning pressure regulator. Your RV's water pump is a demand-based system. This means that the pump will cycle on when you use your RV's water system to maintain the manufacturer's specified water pressure. It should cycle off again once the demand on the system has ceased and the manufacturer's specified water pressure is achieved. If your pump does not cycle off or cycles on and off intermittently, without any obvious demands on the system, there may be a leak somewhere in your RV's water system. Start by checking the supply side of your water pump for any leaks, including the line between the freshwater tank and the pump, the diaphragm, and the strainer, if equipped. We highly recommend installing a pump strainer on your water pump. It prevents debris from both damaging your water pump and getting into your drinking water. However, regular strainer screen maintenance is required to keep your pump running smoothly. To check your water pump's diaphragm, turn off all power to the pump and make sure the pressure is relieved from the system by opening a faucet. Next, remove the screws from the front of your water pump. Pay attention to which screw goes where so you can reassemble the pump properly. With the front of the pump removed, check the diaphragm for any blockages or damage. If there are blockages, clear them. If the diaphragm is damaged, there are self-repair kits for many of the most common water pump brands. With your diaphragm in working order, place the screws in the correct holes and tighten them until there is a firm seal, but be sure to not over-tighten them. With the supply side in working order, you should also check the demand side of your water system if the problem persists. For more information on demand side leaks in your RV's water system, check out our video on that subject. One final point on the subject of water system maintenance that will help you keep your RV's water pump running smoothly is to follow the manufacturer recommended schedule for water tank sanitizing chemical treatment. Thank you for watching.